He's waving. Bad out here. Woo! Oh. There's the newspaper. It's right frickin' there. Hey. We got the news. There's the newspaper. We've been looking for it for the past day. We thought it was in the snowbanks. See the snowbanks? Actually, that's a snowman. That's a really bad built snowman. Now, look at the drifting. Look at the drifting. It looks like a wave, like a ocean wave. Go surfing on it. Woo! All right. Show me again. Let's go get the newspaper. Get the newspaper. Your newspaper? Newspaper? Got the newspaper. Newspaper. We found it. Oh, look at me. That's another snowman. Right here. You don't believe me? That's a snowman. I'm just not very good at building snowmen. That was supposed to be a... Nah, I'm just joking. Just joking. Not a snowman. Oh, wow. Temperature's not too bad out here. It's probably, I don't know, 25. But it's coming down. We're expecting about 9 inches. Okay, it's about, I don't know, 12:30, 1 o'clock. We'll come back out in a little bit. Do some more filming. That over there attached to the tree, believe it or not, is a swing. Let's see where it is. It's attached way up there. So imagine the arc, the swing you would get from riding that swing. I can't wait to put the seat on and give it a shot. Maybe I'll do it right now. No. Oh, that's a pretty house. Some nice looking houses around here. Well, I suppose it's about time to go in. Up the road from here about a mile is Langley Road. Well, anyway, we'll go back inside. Before my camera stops working. And if you're wondering how I'm doing this, I put a plastic bag around the camera and taped it shut, so it won't get wet. Smart idea, huh? Here's the newspaper. Got it.